Hello. Do you know, as per PwC's recent report, 4 out of every 5 Singapore executives, especially in fintech sector, are working on blockchain implementations. And most of these pilot projects are moving to production grade soon in next coming years. And the growth for blockchain professionals, especially in fintech space, is expected to grow annually at very rapid rates. And if you look at the way fintech is, especially the digital assets, cryptocurrencies, cross-border payments, financial inclusion, there are a lot of trade, CBDCs. So the kind of investments flowing into these use cases is in billions of dollars. And across the world, at one point of time recently, the digital assets and cryptocurrencies market cap touched $2 trillion. So the demand for blockchain professionals is growing, but there is a lot of gap in terms of requirements from industry. So in this context, Garanto, in collaboration with IBF Singapore, is bringing this blockchain for fintech leaders and practitioners course. In this course, we are trying to discuss blockchain in its foundational concepts, and then we'll be discussing about 11 plus use cases across BFSI industry. So please come, join us, and kickstart your blockchain journey in fintech space.